Welcome to Prompt2 app, where we take simple prompts and turn them into real business applications in minutes. If you've ever had questions like who has that laptop, are we still paying for that license, you know how our IT asset management can get without the right system. It usually starts small. One spreadsheet, one shared doc, but after a while, no one knows what assets exist or who's using them. Actually, the fix is pretty simple. Let me show you how to build our very own IT asset management app using Zoho Creator to manage assets like software, hardware, network devices, and more. All we have to do is tell Zia, Zoho's AI, what we're looking for. The prompt we'll be using explains our requirements and guides Zia to build an application that can manage all asset records in a central configuration management database, track the asset lifecycle from procurement to disposal, provide access to financial and legal documents for vendor contracts, and monitor asset provisioning as well as the progress of support tickets. Behind the scenes, Zia builds all the core components for the app, including the right forms, reports, workflows, role-based access control, and integration capabilities, all based on our prompt. Here's our finished app. First up, the CMDB. That's our central database where all asset details live. It's the single source of truth for everything asset related. Next, the lifecycle tracker. Here we can follow an asset through every stage from procurement to maintenance and eventually disposal. We've got contracts covered too, with a repository to manage all vendor contracts like software licenses, warranties, and more. And on the security side, the app keeps inventory up to date with critical information. It automatically flags hardware and software approaching end of life or end of support dates. And that's a complete IT asset management system built in minutes. We have the prompt that we use down in the description. Just paste it into Zoho Creator's AI app generator and you'll have an IT asset management app to use and tweak in no time.